I mean, I don't know. I mean, the little artists them I try to them thing, but you don't know levels. You have levels to this thing. Yeah. So may I say, keep the kind of league over this, so a big league right there. So.
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Kenna man people, you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yes, yo. I say Alkaline about to drop a bombshell app. Me I tell you people that app here, yo, new level unlock. Me I tell you, on a one normal thing this. I remember you know, people. You see that app here? Look, you see it dep on the iPhone. Make sure you say you have on a Samsung Ultra. Everything there. App soon ready. You understand? I'ma tell you people, this is a great look. Cause may I tell you, Alkaline 10 step ahead, you know. Everything we do, you know. Cause imagine you have an app as a fan where you can download on your phone, listen everything for Alkaline, every show that coming up, everything we have to do with Alkaline music, buy music, all of these things. Yo, dog, people, this I got shot. May I tell you, because this is one of the things to rate. Me even happy if you see all this something like this, because more while, me just want me I use the app. Seeing if you just know me in my vehicle, me I drive. You see me? Me have the song them I play, everything. Seeing update everything what Alkaline I put out there. You see it. It's a great look, people. And me not lie, yo, I don't know Alkaline them are doing a dog, but yo, something forward in, you know. Me I tell you, people, because when I see this, me I say, yo, that team is normal. Me I tell you, that team is normal, people. It show you say, yo, fans is the best thing for your artist. Me I tell you, and Alkaline are gonna create something in a dancehall where them never yet see before. Me I tell you, the youth are create a organization with him fan base like, yo, when him drop things, yo, them did it, Alkaline are clicking it, bam, next show. Yo, this tough, man, not lie, I rate this. And down the line, you gonna see other people that do it. You understand? But we don't know. The one lad always I do it first. You understand? Yeah. But it's a good look, these people. You understand? And Alkaline always I do something outside of the box. Him not follow people and them thing there. You understand? That's how I rate with the youth. Him not really follow the crowd. Him do things off his own space. I know what the worst thing, people. Alkaline soon drop an album. And then when you look, them put out this. You understand? And I always say you want some app, something. Because I remember, you know, when you're at a certain place and everywhere, things can pick up. You understand? And everywhere things can pick up. You see it? Yes, people. And everywhere things can pick up, you know. You see me? So, this is a good look. Like, sometime if you want to go on Spotify, iTunes, all of these things, for really capitalize on the music and buying the music and also imagine everything combined in one place in the app here. It's a good look. May I tell you, this is a good marketing strategy. May I tell you, good look for the artist, good look for the team. I mean, I have to big up the team for this, man. Not lie. You understand? Because I say anytime that Ultra they drop, I know nothing normal. I mean, also the Vendetta fan them happy if you see this. May I tell you, them happy if you see say what? Them artists are put out app. Right, you don't know what problem. May I tell you, a problem this. You see it? Because now them can tap in and see other things what Alkaline are dealing with. You see it? Watch interview. Imagine I'm up, you can see all some of them shows them and everything. You understand? Imagine people. Like, you can see him past shows them. Every show where him do. You understand? Everything. Yo. It thing tough. I tell people it thing tough. Because if you have everything for your artist in a one app, it's a good look, man. And trust me, it create wave in our social media. Because I see everybody a post it and thing, you understand? And the Vendetta people, them trust me. Them outside. You see it? Yeah, man. Yo, me see Alka Japala, him do the video for Key, man. Yo. Them by boss say Rose Rice. In a earning way and not normal. You understand? Because I remember, you know, something where them a boast with them, Alka just a laugh. You understand? Yeah, cause yo, I don't know that you the dangerous, you know. I tell you, I just feel you not really brag and boast and them thing there. You understand? Some look how chicken money where them a spend. Brother, easy yourself. You understand? Wanna brag about and them something that laugh, Alka laugh, brother. Like, brother, them they a chicken thing. Them there is nothing, bro. You understand? Nothing that. So they hear some man a chat off them mouth, but you don't know anything set. I want data. Yeah, man. I don't know anything set. So, people, it's a good look. Rate the app. The app tough. You see it. Key, man. Tougher than Lil and the things a joke thing. Yeah, man. And that phone I look like when I iPhone 16 them, you know. Yeah, man. Yo, good quality app too. You understand? Data fan, alkaline, music. You see, that's not normal, people. You can't get better than this. You understand? I know, remember when Alkaline just start the YouTube, you know, and them get the views from Viva and them say, I buy this and yo, them say, one bag of thing about the youth with the app and thing. See? But look here now. You see when you see the youth start create wave on the YouTube, me I tell you. You see when you see youth start create wave on YouTube, and I'm not normal, man. You see it because when him did that do it, them a say, oh, you buy views from Vivo and all of them look say. Man say, okay then. When they look, everybody up on YouTube now. Who not buy views, I buy this, I buy that. You understand? The same man with them did that cuss about. You see me? So soon after this, we're not gonna see what go on. Wait till all this a happy job. A problem when this a happy job. Me I tell you right now, everybody a pre what go on. You think so them not look? You think so them not look right now? For see where the key man a do right now? Me I tell you, yo, man I go turn up your fan base. Me I tell you, brother, because right now, you know, people, right now in dancehall, if you don't have that fan base, you're not gonna go nowhere. Because right now, the game change. The game change if you don't realize the music them, the thing them not really sell no numbers, you know. The album them and the EP them not really sell no numbers. You understand? And you wonder some of the time. So, right now, yo, wait till Alkaline drop the album them, I tell you. Yo, that gonna cause problem. Me understand everything at Europe, me I tell you people. Everything at Europe for that album there. You understand? Because I know say when the people might wait for that. Because I remember, you know, Alkaline drop an album for about 4 years now. Alkaline drop an album. Yeah. So you see when that drop, I don't know, normal man, a year, they have them call for an album, you know. So imagine when that the album they drop and when you look, boom, go in a app ready. You buy everything, you buy the song on every platform, stream it, everything. You understand? Because look at people. I realize Billboard stop use YouTube views or whatever YouTube stream to add to them thing. So them a cut out that, you know. So a lot of things game a change. So you have to go find some alternative right now. You see it because look at now, you see in the app for Alkaline have you even can get your data gears. Yeah man, you can get your gears and can remember in Alkaline have him clothes brand, you know. Yeah man, the data gears and all of these things. Yeah, one lad and all of them something them have. We are going in at the app too. Where you can buy so everything for Alkaline over there. You understand? From music to shows to clothes. I go in there. You understand? And the support, the fan base I go. Oh, you mean if fan base them have imagine a fan base them have all a app where they just can click in and go in, check in on their favorite artists. Whatever shows them I go do next. Whatever album soon I go. Seem like you're watching Netflix and next day tell you what's coming soon. Imagine if you have an app for your favorite artist where you can go in seeing and it tell us alright, album coming soon, this date. And you can't even stream the album this so. You see it? Yeah man is a good look man if you know say yo doing this I support your favorite artist. No normal. A game change right now cause look at people. everything I go digital right now, you know. Me I tell you, everything I go digital. Because how much artists create a app for themselves. You understand? And it show you say, yo, Alkaline team, them a think like in a 2050. I tell you, 2050 them a think about in a future right now. For them like them 10 years ahead or 20 years. For I do this. Me I tell you, when me I see the design scene, I rate the design. If I saw the design, I go really look it tough. Data gears, champion boy song, you can't even like it. Yo, premium, bomba. Yo, dog, this I got tough, brother. Me I tell you, this I got tough. The app thing, I got tough people. Yeah, man, more and say, oh, it I go look when it drop. For real, everything. But Alkaline now one place. Gears, music and more. You understand? Me I tell you, I don't know normal this. I don't know normal this, people. It's a good look. And yo, if you market the artist that way, yeah, trust me, you can't lose. You can't lose, people. This, when this drop, enough editor go turn. Right now, this I go wake up all some artists. You go see how much artists I try this and I do this. But you don't know. You know what things said. You understand? Data always do it first. You see it? Yeah, man. So, it's a good look, people. You see, man. Big up. Bless up for the fan base. You see me? Big up the Vendetta fan base, same speed. Because them always a support them artists. You see me? Yeah, man. And you don't know. Big up the media for supporter them. And the subscribers. You understand? And big up the people them who know when not subscribe. But them watch the video them. You understand? Because remember, you know. You might not subscribe to, but you know watch a video them. I still support CMA. So I have to big up them people too. You understand? And big up all of the fan base. You don't know. But I just want media facts. You see it? Yeah, and if you just know that. You see me? So people, big up on yourself, you know. Remember stay safe in the holiday, you know, people. Be careful on the road. You understand? You remember so you don't want to live for say next year, you know. Yeah. I don't know what things said, but you don't know. I want me the facts, man. That is it.